In this GlowShift Gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift In Dash Tachometer. For the purpose of this video, we will install a Black Classic Series 10,000 RPM tachometer into a 1977 Chevrolet C10. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Before beginning work on the vehicle, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove any panels necessary to install the gauge. Install your GlowShift tachometer and route the green signal wire through the dash. Splice to your vehicle's signal source. This source should be the negative side of the coil, the tachometer signal port, or an adapter or filter. To be able to test for power, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Using a test light, locate a constant 12-volt source, an ignition switched 12-volt source, and a headlamp switched 12-volt source. Connect the appropriate gauge wires to the corresponding sources as per the instructions for your specific gauge. Please note, Classic Series gauges do not require a constant 12-volt source. Connect the black wire of the gauge harness to a reliable grounding source. Once all wiring has been secured, adjust the dial switch on the back of the gauge to match the number of cylinders in your engine. Please note, some vehicles will require a tach adapter or filter for smooth operation, and some applications require a selection of half the cylinders. For example, our LS Swap C10 will be set to 4, even though it has an 8-cylinder engine. After adjusting the cylinder selection dial, reinstall any panels that were removed for installation. Finally, test for proper operation. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift In Dash Tachometer. If you have any questions, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.